All right, so we have discussed this taste bud where we can sense which taste. Now we have read this chapter and we have also discussed the fill up the blanks. I have asked you to make this table in your copy and form it. We have given you the difficult word, only 3 words I have given you from this chapter: nutritious, wholesome, and whole meal. You are supposed to write 3 different sentences which explain these meanings correctly. Now look into the question answers. First question, how do plants make their food? Now, plants make their food with the help of soil, water, and sunshine using a process called photosynthesis.
Then this we have to write in copy.
Yes, in your copy, you are supposed to write all these question answers. First of all, write the chapter number, chapter name, then word meanings, and I have not given you the sentences. You have to make your own sentences. So 3 sentences, then your question answers. Question number 2, what do animals have for their food? Some animals get their food by eating plants. They are herbivorous animals. I believe all of you know that. And some eat other animals to get energy they need for the work. Some are carnivorous animals. So there are 2 different categories of animals. Question number 3. What do you mean by a healthy balanced diet? Healthy balanced diet hota kya hai? A healthy balanced diet includes, what are the 6 main important items we should have in our food? Proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and water in right proportion. It's not like that we can eat only one thing and we'll get a nutritious food. We have to eat everything in proper proportion. Proportion means sahi quantity mein lena chahiye to maintain our health. Feel good and have energy. Why do we eat food? To grow and to have energy. So we should have all these 6 elements in proper proportion in order to have a balanced, healthy, balanced diet. Now question number 4. Why does our body need new cells every day? Why does our body needs new cell every day? Hardik and Pragya, this is your English chapter 1 question answers. You are supposed to write. This is English period, so we are taking English classes. You're supposed to write question answers, word meanings, and 1 table, which is given at the page number 5 of your book. Question number 4. Why does our body need new cells every day? हर रोज नए cells की क्या जरूरत है हमारी body में? Every day, millions of cells in our body die, which have to be replaced by new cells. Our body provides the material to build these cells. So what happened? Every day, there is lots and lots of cells in our body that they die. And to replace them and to have our energy, our food provides us the material which is used to make new cells every day. Question number 5. One may have enough to eat and yet fell ill. How? It happens that even people who are eating too much, they also get sick. Why is that? If they are eating food, then they should be healthy. But it is not true, because in the question number 3, we have already seen that in right proportion, all the nutrients should be there in the right proportion. So the answer is, it is not the matter how much we eat. It matters that how much nutritious is the food, because not all food contain all the nutrients. इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि हम कितना खाते हैं, जरूरी ये है कि हमने सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स लिए हैं कि नहीं लिए हैं. अगर हम सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स खा रहे हैं, if we are taking all the proper balanced diet, then we will not get sick. Question number 6. What is the importance of food for the human body? Human body के लिए food की क्या importance है? Sujan, wait, let me explain all the questions. Then once again, I will show all the answers once again. Now focus on the question which I am explaining right now. Food provides nutrients for human body, which provides energy for activity, growth, functions of the body, and for keeping the immune system healthy. So why is food so important? Food is important because it provides us energy for work, it provides energy for our growth, all the functions, and even it is important for our immune system. What is our immune system? Which keeps us away from the diseases. Pragya, wait, let me just explain all the answers. Question number 7. What is the importance of nutritious food for children? Now we have established that food is required for so many things in question number 6. Now the question number 7 specially asks, they wake up. Question number 7 specially asks why the food, nutritious food is more important for children. Children are, you all are children in a growing age. So nutritious food is all the more important for you all. Children are active and their bodies are still growing. So they need more energy and bodybuilding materials. And these materials are provided from food. They need wide range of nutritious food which contains important minerals and vitamins. Nutritious food is required because it contains vitamins and minerals. Now the next question is, what are nutrients? What nutrients are more important than others? So there are 2 questions. So we'll write the answers in 2 different paragraphs for these questions. Now for the first question, what are nutrients? Nutrients are substances that provide nutrition. A healthy, balanced diet has the right proportion of all the 6 nutrients like proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and water. If in the question exam, if the first question just comes, if I ask you only the first part of this question, that is, what are nutrients? Then please do not write 2 paragraphs. Only the first paragraph is the answer for the first part of the question. If I ask the second question also, then write the next part. Chandani, please sit down. Sit down properly, pay attention. What nutrients are more important than others? See, in the book it is written that all the nutrients are equally important for our body, which is true. But still, for growing kids, 2 nutrients are more important, that are carbohydrates and protein. More important nutrients are carbohydrates and protein. Carbohydrates give us energy, while proteins are the true body builder nutrient. Now let me just quickly show you the question answers once again. First of all, everybody will write 3 difficult words and 3 sentences for all these 3 words. If you want, you can take a screenshot. Question number 1, 2, and 3. I have detailed explanation and question answers uploaded on my YouTube channel. So in the evening, you can go and search and find out there if you want any repetition or you want to see the questions once again. Okay, is there any question? Yes, Nirbhay, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, send your link.
It is my name only, Kanupriya Saxena, Kanupriya and Pratik Saxena. Please go and search from there. Is there any query? You can unmute yourself and ask. So 1, 2, and 3 you have seen. Question number 4, 5. Take a screenshot if you want to, or else in the evening you can go and see the YouTube link. Search for class 8 English and chapter number 1. Yes, a question in the chat box. Yes, Harshal, we are still on the chapter number 1. Question number 5 and 6. And question number
Excuse me,
7 and 8.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
मैम ये करंट अफेयर्स वाली साइड करने हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर.
Sorry, I didn't get your question. Please repeat.
मैम कॉपी में करंट अफेयर्स और वर्ड मीनिंग इन दोनों के अलग अलग साइड बनाने हैं ना.
Yes, beta, but that is for assembly copy. This is the English reader copy.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
So these are the questions.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is not visible on your YouTube channel.
In the evening, beta, I will download